How to check computer specs on your PC. Simply follow the steps. On your Windows, click it and type System Information. Then click it. Here, you can see of what processor you have. Then the capacity of RAM installed. And also you can see what type of Windows you have, just like this Windows 10 Pro, and its version was 22H2. Now let's proceed to checking our disks. On your Windows, toggle your cursor to it and simply right-click and look for Disk Management. Click it and it will show all your disks. That's it. Thanks for watching.